And hello there, interweb viewers. This is Flight Pilot Explorer. We're going to continue on this edition with the addition on this house. So last time we had the squeegee or the pea gravel put in around the outside of the foundation and inside the crawl space where we're going to pour a slab. So in this edition, we're going to do the backfill and pour a slab in the crawl space. So we're going to use the skid steer to put back the dirt that was taken out up against the foundation. So to get the dirt to pack properly, you need water in the dirt, in this type of dirt anyway, which is very, very dry. So you'll see that we're hosing down the backfill, and at the same time we're using a jumping jack to pack down the dirt around the pilasters. So after a few feet of dirt is put in with the skid steer, we can use the mini excavator with this packing tool to vibrate the dirt down real tight up against the different structures such as the pilasters or even the foundation of the crawl space. Okay, enough of the backfill. Let's move on to pouring the foundation in the crawl space. So this is after all the backfill has been done, and the workers here are prepping the surface down in the crawl space to pour the slab. So this is a machine that compacts the squeegee just to give the concrete a little firmer cushion to sit on. concrete truck is here, and it's time to pour.
You can give her a little more, but because you're right by the corner here, so that should be okay. You guys are like a well-oiled machine.
Yep. How many yard pour is this?
Dude, I don't know. Off the top of my head, I don't know, probably 6 or 7.
6 or 7 yards?
I think. Yeah, I'm coming up with just right at 6, but I'll bet they got 7 or 8 on there.
Here they're using an 8-foot straight edge to get the depth of the concrete pretty close to the final depth of the slab, which is about 4 inches thick. You can see the square blocks in the center, which are pads, foundation pads for pillars that will go in to hold up the center of the subfloor. This is a bull float with a vibrator on it that moves the aggregate, the rock, out of the top of the concrete, settles it down. So the surface of the concrete is more of a creamy cement that allows for a nicer finish. Okay, so the pour is done. Concrete trucks can leave, and the finishers will be able to start finishing. So this is a couple of hours after the pour, where the concrete is set hard enough that the men can get on top of the slab to do the final finish coat.
algo, no creas. Ya son harina de otro costal. Sí. Vamos. Está bueno, pero me habla. No le picó el pelo, no te las costillas.
So this 8-foot straight edge can be used to get the concrete completely flat on top. So we have the pads in the center of the foundation, the structural pads that are exactly to the right height, and then the edge of the footer right below the stem wall, which is at the proper height. So if they take the straight edge from those two surfaces, they can get the concrete slab at the perfect height.
Ahorita le da de acá. Voy cortando de chava así, yo lo voy a soportar. Apenas el primero. Sí, está apenas bien.
¿No hace otro acá? No.
Sí, pero dele caire y ahorita voy. Ya me voy así. Ahorita como que voy a revisar un poco cortar y luego ya me empiezo a ir.
So the men have been finishing the concrete for about an hour now, and as the concrete sets and it gets harder, they can get a smoother and smoother surface. The lines you see there are controlled crack lines. Foundations are slabs, concrete slabs always crack. It's almost impossible. So you try to go from the edge of the corners to other corners around the structure, and hopefully cracks will follow those lines. Probably not, but that's what you hope. Well, that's it for this edition of Fly Pilot Explorer. Next time, we'll probably start off with doing the subfloor.